Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu on second-day visit to her home district laid foundation stones and inaugurated several development projects. Rescue operations continue to unabated in the collapse of Silk Yara tunnel. Prime Minister Modi takes stock of the situation. Government is looking for earning at least rupees 40 to 42 crore annually, says Excise Minister Karmen Shilla. Department of Fisheries presents the Garo Hills Regional Aquafest 2023 come World Fisheries Day. And Hema Milim organized the annual ceremony, Kalle Anyam Yodo. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu on the second-day visit to her home district, Mayurbhanj in Odisha today laid foundation stones and inaugurated several development projects and flagged off new trains. She flagged off 3 new trains from Badampahar railway station. Railway sources said these trains services will improve the rail connectivity to the tribal-dominated Mayurbhanj with neighbouring states. Besides, the President laid the foundation stone for redevelopment of Badampahar railway station under the Amrit Station scheme. Rescue operations are underway on war footing to rescue 41 workers trapped in the collapse of Silk Yara tunnel in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami over the phone and took stock of the relief and rescue operations. Prime Minister said it is our top priority to evacuate all the workers safely. To further speed up the operation, a vertical drilling machine reached the site from the upper part of the tunnel. Excise Minister Karmen Shilla said that the state government is looking for earning at least rupees 40 to 42 crore annually after the state cabinet recently approved the amendment of the Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules 2021 for reclassification of bronze to ensure additional revenue of rupees 50 crore which is collected by the department. He said the government made this decision which will make the price equivalent and give benefits to the state exchequer.
Approximately annually tentative, so it might reach up to 40 to 50 crores annually additional will be added. That was the expectation. So it depends on the sale, even that. But if it goes as per the sale, what has been sale previously, so tentative around 40 to 50 CR will be the additional amount will be added.
In a spirited celebration of the Meghalaya's rich aquatic heritage, the Department of Fisheries present the Garo Hills Regional Aqua Fest 2023 come World Fisheries Day. This event showcases local flavour where farmers, entrepreneurs and communities converge to exhibit the finest fish products. Thomas A. Sangma, Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, graced the occasion as the chief guest. In his speech, he emphasised the significance of fisheries in the state's socio-economic fabric.
On this joyous day where we take this fish, particularly so many fish including we have in Garo Hills.
Commemorating 2 years of the Voice of the People Party's journey as a political force in Meghalaya, the VPP party of Ri-Bhoi district organized a blood donation camp on Monday to mark World Blood Donors Day. The event took place at the community hall Sajer, Nongpo. 20 members of the VPP party from Ri-Bhoi district volunteered to donate blood, symbolizing their commitment to the World Blood Donors Day celebration. Rindong Sngi, a prominent figure in the VPP party, highlighted the significance of blood donation, stating that blood donation not only extends a lifeline to those in critical need, but also promotes our health and vitality.
kalian ini fitur ya baru iperdok kurusnam makin semua dan aisnam markas nam kalau ini ya dijin dengkam ya kan snam gibuan ayang lagi dia duduk perfect number dan tiba ini tambah tim long kan tim lekat ya jadi gibuan ay perfect jadi gitu.
Former MLA of Molai constituency SD Kongwer breathed his last on Tuesday at Negrim's Hospital at the age of 90. The veteran politician passed away at the hospital after a prolonged illness. His body has been taken to his family's residence near Wakingfield in Molai. Late Kongwer has been one of the prominent politicians since the time Meghalaya got its statehood. His political journey began with his first electoral victory in 1972 and continued successfully until 1993, and he served as the MLA of Molai for an impressive 25 years. However, chose to retire from politics in 1998. During his extensive political career, he held several significant portfolios, including Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya in governments led by late Darwin Dingdo and late Brington Buhai Lingdo.
It's bad. Politics is bad, no doubt. I mean, your throat itches, your eyes burn.
We are deeply saddened by the demise of late SD Kongwer, and we all know him as a very senior and a person who has contributed immensely to his constituency, to the state as a whole. And he has been known as a person who's been really loved by the masses.
It's a very sad moment to me as well as the family and to the entire state. We have lost such a great leaders, and his extensive political dynamism will be missed by all of us, and it's very difficult to feel such a great became.
It really shocked me, so I express my sincere condolences to the bereaved family, and I pray that departed soul may rest in eternal peace.
External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Australian Foreign Affairs Minister Penny Wong are holding the 14th Foreign Ministerial Framework Dialogue in New Delhi. In a social media post, Dr. Jaishankar said the dialogue will advance the strategic partnership. Both ministers will take stock of cooperation under the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership and exchange views on regional and global issues of mutual interest. They co-chaired the India-Australia 2+2 dialogue with Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and Australian Defence Minister Richard Marles yesterday. Indian Panorama at the International Film Festival of India today in Goa. The 25 feature films and 20 non-feature films will be screened in this section. The opening film of Indian Panorama section was Malayalam movie Attam, directed by Anand Ekarshi. Andrew Dreams, a Manipuri documentary directed by Longjam Meena Devi, was the opening film in the non-feature film section. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur today launched 48-hour film challenge as part of third edition of the 75 Creative Minds of Tomorrow.
ऐसे बहुत सारे और लोग जिनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान देश ही नहीं दुनिया भर की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, मीडिया, एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में है, वो आपसे रूबरू होंगे, आपकी मास्टर क्लासेस लेंगे। ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा अवसर है और ये अवसर देने की सोच किसी और की नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की है कि युवाओं को अवसर दो, और वो अपने आप इतनी क्षमता रखते हैं कि इसको किसी भी स्तर तक ले जा सकते हैं।
Every year, Hema Milim organized the annual ceremony known as Kalenium Yodo, along with a cultural program at a religious place at Kle Yodo. The offering was done by the 5 clans of the 11 clans of the Raj Milim of Hema Milim Saimship in the presence of elders of the Hema. On this day, all the shops in the market were closed in respect of the prayers and sacrifice that the Hema offers to the Almighty.
Habla
Indian squad for 5-match series of T20 internationals with Australia has been announced. Batter Surya Kumar Yadav will lead the men in blue in the series scheduled to start from Thursday in Visakhapatnam. Ruturaj Gaikwad will be the vice-captain for the first 3 matches, while Shreyas Iyer will join the squad as vice-captain for the 4th and 5th matches. After a draining campaign in the recent ODI World Cup, many senior players have been rested. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 18.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 11.6 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 78% and in the evening 80%. Forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu on second-day visit to her home district laid foundation stones and inaugurated several development projects. Rescue operations continue unabated in the collapse of Silk Yara tunnel. Prime Minister Modi takes stock of the situation. Government is looking for earning at least rupees 40 to 42 crore annually, says Excise Minister Kerman Shilla. Department of Fisheries presents the Garo Hills Regional Aqua Fest 2023 come World Fisheries Day. And Himamalayam organized the annual ceremony Kalyanam Yodo. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.